Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. Today, I want to talk to you about an exciting new development for CRISPR therapeutics and Vertex. Sure, we do not see this excitement reflected in the stock price, but nevertheless, this is a significant development. The recent approval by Health Canada of Casgevy, developed by Vertex Pharmaceuticals and CRISPR Therapeutics, marks a significant milestone in the treatment of sickle cell disease, SCD, and transfusion-dependent beta thalassemia, TDT. Casgevy, a CRISPR-based gene-editing therapy, has been authorized for patients aged 12 and older who experience recurrent vaso-occlusive crises, VOCs, in SCD or require regular blood transfusions for TDT. This approval is pivotal because it introduces a potentially curative therapy for these genetic blood disorders, which previously relied on more limited treatment options. Let me lay out the key aspects of the approval. Casgevy is an autologous therapy, meaning it uses the patient's own cells, which are genetically modified using CRISPR-Cas9 technology to correct the gene defect causing the disorders. The edited cells are reintroduced into the patient's body to produce healthier red blood cells, reducing the complications of SCD and TDT. Health Canada's decision is supported by positive results from 2 ongoing trials. These are CLIMB 121 and CLIMB 111. CLIMB 121 for SCD demonstrated that patients were free from severe VOCs for 12 consecutive months. CLIMB 111 for TDT showed that 93% of evaluable patients were free from transfusions for 12 months post-treatment. Even those who did not achieve full transfusion independence saw a reduction of more than 70% in transfusion needs. These outcomes suggest that Casgevy could dramatically improve patients' quality of life by reducing painful crises and the need for regular transfusions. This approval is historic, as Casgevy is the first CRISPR-based gene-editing therapy to be authorized in Canada. It paves the way for future gene-editing therapies targeting other genetic conditions. The therapy's safety profile was deemed acceptable, aligning with risks typically associated with myeloablative conditioning using busulfan and hematopoietic stem cell transplantation, which are standard procedures for patients undergoing this type of treatment. Exa-cel was also approved by the FDA in the U.S. for SCD in December 2024 and for TDT in January 2024, establishing its presence in North America. Notably, the U.S. approval coincided with Bluebird Bio's Lovo-cel, marketed as Lyfgenia, which also treats SCD using a lentiviral vector. This marks a competitive environment in the gene-editing therapy space, with multiple innovative approaches reaching the market simultaneously. Vertex Pharmaceuticals has expressed its commitment to working closely with Canadian federal and provincial governments to ensure rapid access to the therapy for eligible patients. This will be critical for both patient access and healthcare system integration of such an advanced therapeutic approach. Here are some expert perspectives. The excitement surrounding Casgevy's approval is evident among healthcare professionals. Dr. Kevin Kuo, a principal investigator in the clinical trials, highlighted the significance of this approval for patients who have long awaited innovative treatments. The therapy offers a potentially life-changing option for those suffering from severe genetic blood disorders, bringing new hope to patient communities. However, as Dr. Mark Walters, a pediatric expert on SCD, noted, decisions around pursuing autologous gene therapies like Casgevy will require careful consideration of risks and benefits. While the short-term outcomes are promising, the long-term effects of gene-editing treatments remain under study. Healthcare teams will need to guide patients in weighing these factors as they decide on their treatment options. In conclusion, I would say that the approval of Casgevy signals a revolutionary shift in treating genetic blood disorders in Canada, offering hope for a more definitive and lasting solution to conditions like SCD and TDT. With strong clinical trial results and the backing of CRISPR-based gene-editing technology, Casgevy could become a game-changer in the therapeutic landscape. However, the challenges of access, cost, and long-term safety will shape how quickly and broadly these therapies can be adopted. I hope that you enjoyed this podcast. Please let me have your comments. Please do not hesitate to press the like button as it helps the channel. And yes, please subscribe if you have not already done so. This helps the channel too. That's all for now. I will be back with the next video soon. Bye for now.